Dear students of Class 1, I am Mrs. Neha Makkar and in this video we are going to study about the different body parts. The first body part is our head. It is the topmost or the upper part of our body. Our head is covered with fine thread-like structure which we call hair. We have two eyes, children, to see and look at the world. It also helps us to read and see. Then comes our eyebrow. We have our eyebrows right above our eyes. We have two ears to hear the different sounds of different objects. We have a single nose which helps us to smell different things. It also helps us to breathe. Then comes our mouth. We have a big mouth with which we speak, and we also eat tasty food with our mouth. Then comes our teeth. We have teeth which helps us to chew our food properly. We have a single tongue which helps us to lick the food and also gives us a sense of taste. It also tells us about how the food is, whether it's sweet, sour or bitter. We have chin right below our mouth and above our neck. The portion of our body between the ears and nose is known as cheek. Our neck is a very important part of our body. Our neck helps us to look here and there and also to turn around. With the help of shoulder, we are able to carry different loads on our back. Our hands help us to do different things, such as it helps us to write, to hold things, to brush our teeth. We also clap our hands. We have two hands. In each hand we have 5 fingers. We have 2 hands and we have 10 fingers in all. Our fingers help us to count. It also helps us to point out at certain things. Then comes our elbow. The elbow is the joint between the upper and lower arm of our body. What is an arm, children? An arm is the portion of our body from the wrist to the shoulder. Wrist is the portion where we wear the watch. So from there till the shoulder, this portion is known as the arm. Then comes the chest. Can you see in the picture? The boy is pointing at it. It is called chest. Stomach. The food we eat goes inside our stomach. Inside the stomach, the food is digested. The next part of our body is leg. We have 2 legs which help us to run, walk and dance. Knee. Knee. We have 2 knees which helps us to bend. Toes. The front part of the foot is called a toe. We have 2 feet which helps us to jump and tap our feet on the floor. Now students, let us revise the body parts. The topmost part, head. With eyes we see the world. With ears we hear to different sounds. With hands we do different kinds of work. With arms we hold different people in our arms. With legs we walk. With eyebrows, we make different gestures or facial expressions. With nose, we breathe and smell. With mouth, we eat. And we also speak. With lips, we smile. With tongue, we taste different foods. With foot, we walk and jump and tap. Now students, I have given you a diagram and I have given you a help box also. So in this activity, you have to write down the different body parts in the blanks given adjoining to this figure. So thank you children.